Hey guys, Susie here and doing a little food haul for you guys today. I just got back from Aldi's and I got a few things there, some things there. So I thought I'd share with you guys what I picked up in my haul this time. I really enjoy watching food hauls, so I hope that you guys do too. And if you do like these kind of videos, definitely leave me a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and be sure to hit that little bell so you get notification of my videos. But anyway, let's get started and I'll show you guys what I picked up at Aldi this time. Okay guys, so I'll show y'all what I picked up. It's not the best lighting here in my kitchen, unfortunately. I've got all the lights turned on and yet it's still a little bit dim, but I just got home from work. On Fridays we get to dress down, so I dressed down today. But yeah, I just stopped at Aldi's on my way home. It is a little bit dim, isn't it? Sorry guys, but I can't get it any better, unfortunately. I don't really have anywhere else to put my camera in here, so I hope that y'all don't mind. Anywho, I just wanted to stop at Aldi's. I hadn't been at Aldi's in a while, and I needed to pick up a few things. And I do save some money by going to Aldi's. I wouldn't say that it's a humongous savings, at least not for me. I usually save about $30 or so compared to going elsewhere. Maybe like 30 to 40 sometimes, which is still really good, and it definitely adds up. And I do shop there, I wouldn't say like all the time, but I go there pretty often, and I really like a lot of their products. I found a lot of really good things today. So the first thing that I picked up is this sweet mango lemonade. That's what it looks like. And my husband loves mango and lemonade, so I think he's really going to like this. And it was quite affordable. I think it was like $1 something. And then I also picked him up these Gatorades because he takes these to work with him. He loves to have his Gatorades at work, so I picked some of those up for him. And then I also picked up this 6-pack of paper towels. This is the Boulder Ultra. You can compare these to Bounty, it says. So I picked some of those up. I think it was about $4.99 or $5 or so for the 6-pack, which I thought was not bad. And then I'll take one of these bags up here so I can pull things out, show you guys. I picked up this banana walnut loaf cake. This looks pretty good. It's like one of those like pound cake type cakes. My husband loves those kind of cakes. I do too, sometimes for breakfast or something. And then I picked up 2 of these really big breads. These are the, I think it's called Pane Toronto Italian bread. Looks like this. It's a really big, huge bread, and my mom actually really likes these. Her and my dad love this bread, so they stock up on it when they go to Aldi's, and it's huge. I mean, like, look at it compared to my head. It's like literally bigger than my head. So, and these are $3 a piece. They're a nice crusty bread. If you are into crusty bread, you can get these at Aldi's, and they're a pretty good deal, I think. So I picked 2 of those up for her because she did request those. And then for us, I just picked up this whole grain white bread, just plain whole grain white bread. We just eat plain bread around here. And then I also picked up this bread. What else is in here? Oh, okay, some cheese. I also picked this up. It's the sliced brioche loaf. This looks absolutely divine. It has little chocolate chips in it. Yeah, that looks really, really good. And I picked up a like little jam there to put on top of this bread. I think that's going to be so divine for breakfast. Oh, yes. I'm actually so excited to eat my breakfast tomorrow. And then I also picked up 10 slices of this Gouda deli sliced cheese. We do like Gouda a lot. And for 10, I think it was about $1.50 or so. So definitely not a bad little deal. Ingredients look great, so picked some of that up. And then moving on to the next bag, I picked up some cereal. This is the Honey Nut Crispios, generic Honey Nut Cheerios, same difference. I think this was $1 something. I think they're pretty sure. And then I also picked up some coffee creamer. This is Friendly Farms Vanilla Caramel Coffee Creamer. Looks amazing. I have had their coffee creamer before and I really did like it. It's really good. Just really tasty. I'm pretty sure. Okay, this one actually does contain milk. Some of them are dairy free, so I am okay to have milk, just not a lot of it, but this will be okay in my coffee. I don't really drink milk otherwise, so, well, I drink lactose-free milk, but I got some of that. And then I got some coffee while I was in there. This is the Barissimo brand, Fair Trade certified French vanilla, 100% Arabica coffee. So I got some of that. Love French vanilla coffee. This was a good deal. It was like $4.99 for this, so I thought that was a pretty good deal on that. I got some yellow mustard. This is just Berman's yellow mustard, and this was 59 cents. So amazing deal on that. Huge bottle. And I got some yogurt. It kind of, the packaging kind of split on me, but this is the Dannon Activia probiotic yogurt. It's the strawberry flavor, and this is a little 4-pack. I think this was about $2 something, maybe. It might have been $2 something, I think. And then, lastly, in this bag, I got some paper plates. This is 80 paper plates, and I believe this was like $2 or $3 something for these, so that's a pretty good deal. And this is my last bag, but it's also the heaviest bag and the one full of the most stuff. Okay, and I got these 40 of these Boulder Tall Kitchen Drawstring bags with the odor control in them. I love getting the odor control bags because, I don't know, it's summer and your trash stinks. And these actually smell pretty good. They smell kind of fresh. This little box part came open down at the bottom, but anywho, so I got some of those. I think that was about 3 or 4 something. I got some pancake mix. This is Aunt Maple's Buttermilk Complete Pancake Mix. We like to eat these on the weekends, pancakes. Got some Tuscan Ranch dressing, Tuscan Garden Ranch dressing. This was also very cheap. I think it was $1. So, got some of that. And then I also got some more of these mini cucumbers. This is Mucci Farms greenhouse grown mini cucumbers. And I don't know how many there is in here. It's just a pound of them, but I love eating these with ranch. I take this with ranch all the time for my lunch. It makes such a good little snack, and they're just so tasty. I just love mini cucumbers, so I always pick those up whenever I'm in the grocery store. I also picked up 2 avocados, and these are not all the way ripe yet, but they're going to ripen up pretty fast, and these were, I think, 69 cents or 49 cents, I don't remember, but I picked 2 of these up. I like making avocado toast for breakfast in the mornings. And then I also got this Happy Farms light, 50% less fat, original spreadable cheese wedges. This was $1 or so. Kind of similar to that, like Laughing Cow cheese wedges. And I got this Simply Nature Organic Super Fruit Spread. This is made with cherries, blueberries, and pomegranate, and it is USDA organic. This was $2 or so, but I really wanted to try this. I absolutely love toast and jam in the morning for breakfast, and I thought this would taste absolutely delicious on that brioche, so I went ahead and picked some of that up. I'm really excited to eat that. I picked up this Lunch Buddies strawberry flavored applesauce for my husband, 6-pack. He'll be taking those in his lunches probably. And I also got these oatmeal cream pies. I've got these at Dollar Tree before. I like to get the little generic brand. I don't really care, but this was only $1.50, I think, there. Yeah, $1.50. And, I mean, you get, I think, a couple more than you do at Dollar Tree, so not a bad deal. I picked up some pancake syrup, just original pancake syrup. picked up some chicken tenders. I don't typically buy a lot of meat at Aldi's. If I do, I like to buy the like better looking meat. I'm just kind of picky about my meat. But this is the Never Any Cage Free chicken tenders with no added hormones or any of that other stuff. And these have a vegetarian diet. So I picked this up. This was $5.75. Not bad at all. And that's a pretty good deal. So I'll probably freeze those and make food with that this week. Make some dinner. And I also picked this up for dinner. This is the Sea Queen garlic black pepper shrimp skewers. They're raw peeled deveined with tail on. And they've been marinated for flavor. So I picked this up. These were a seasonal item. So I think they're just going to have these for the summer. But this looked really good. These just seem like they taste good. So I got this for our dinner this week. And we'll probably be eating that for dinner. I also picked up these little baby Dutch yellow potatoes from the Melissa's brand. My husband is such a huge fan of these potatoes. These are the only potatoes that he likes like this. He only likes this Melissa's brand. They're those really little tiny yellow potatoes. He loves these. And these were not too expensive there. I can't remember now the price. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. But they were very affordable and about the same as they cost anywhere else. And then the last thing I picked up is one other dinner item that we'll probably be having for dinner this week. And I have got this before at Aldi's and I really liked it. It's the Mandarin Orange Chicken. It's tempura white meat chicken in a tangy mandarin sauce. And you get quite a bit of it in here. And I'll probably be making this with some white rice this week for dinner. So I picked that up and I think this was about $3 or $4. So not a bad deal. And yeah, that's everything I got. So I got quite a few items. I got quite a few things. And I spent $80, which, I mean, that's actually pretty inexpensive for us for groceries. I think if I went to Kroger's, I probably would have spent well over $100 today. So I definitely saved some money. I hope you guys enjoyed this food haul. And have you guys tried out any of these items? Or what are your favorites to get at Aldi's if you shop there? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed and be sure to subscribe. Bye guys.